Hi family, so Urban Forex. Um, I want to do my PA of the day, which is let's start my story. The story is I'm still stalking this area uh, by the weekly, and it, in the weekly, not in the weekly. So basically, it's on the weekly, which is as a secondary. That's still on my word. The point right now. Getting a little more comfortable to go to the 1 hour area to do the move of, of the Microsoft. Um, and then the reason I stopped to trade because I got in too early from it. But the move is still could go up from this area to that area. Uh, and Yeah, so sticking with the story, I chose some spot that might be reactive from this area, and it really did react from this area from what I what what I perceive, and also explain that after of a market, no, at the early market, people are buying it, but I can't see it in this area. But what I can see is from the ETF. From the ETF, it tell me a lot of story in it. Um, People are really buying it from 6 a.m. to, and then, and the part is like, also, I want to buy in too. It just the part I stopped buying it because I want a better price from there, but I do got my better price from that area. And yeah, I've been checking the ETF and then go back in here. And when the market start, I went to down to the 5 minutes. So when the market start, one thing, yeah, when the market start, that exactly what happened. I want to buy it, but that moment I bought it, I got messed up from there at the story. So the story is, I still want to buy this because of the weekly of the S area. And of course, I'm aware the whole thing is still uptrend in that area. And then, yeah, and I would love to have the market to go back up. But at this point, I'm not sure it's going back up or not. But it is in doing something. It is doing something. The market is reacting back in that area. So very happy of it. And that's where I'm at the daily. So at the S at the daily right now. So hopefully they give us a better discount and then go for that. But at this point, that is my story. I for now, and then I'm going to move on to my PA explain how to what did I do wrong, what did I can do better.